Hello guys, OpenAI team recently announced two new model in O1 series. So in this video, I'm just highlighting what are the features O1 series contains and what are the use case we can use this model and how to request Azure OpenAI to access this model. Let's start. As I mentioned, OpenAI announced two new model, one for O1 preview and O1 mini model. The main objective of this model, unlock complex coding, reasoning and analysis capability. Now these two model available in Microsoft Azure OpenAI service. You can use in Azure OpenAI service, Azure AI Studio and GitHub models. O1 series model great fit for complex code generation, advanced problem solving, complex document comparison and instruction following and workflow management. We can use these models. And come to the performance benchmark. O1 series performed as well in PhD students subject in physics, chemistry and biology, especially for maths and coding skills, solving 80% of IMO qualified exams. It's compared to the GPT-4 only performance 30%, but in O1 series scored 80%. And it's reached the 89th percentile in Code Force coding. So as I mentioned, what are the use case we can use this model? As a developer, we can use this advanced coding task and algorithm generation. And for legal team, you can use it for contract and document analysis mode. And business team, you can use this model for workflow management and instruction following. And mainly for research team, we can use this model for maths, science and complex problem solving. So how to access this model using Azure OpenAI? At the moment, Azure OpenAI you cannot directly access. First, you have to request to the Azure OpenAI team to use this model. So here the link you can. So this is a form we have to fill it to get access this own model. So in this form you have to fill your name and last name and you have to provide your subscription ID. The subscription ID available in Azure portal. Once you log in Azure portal, if you go to the subscription, here you can get your subscription ID. You have to enter the subscription ID here, and the fourth step, you have to add your email address. And if your email address other than general email address, it may be denied. Make sure you have to use your company email address to get access as fast. And fifth step, you have to provide the company name. And the sixth step, very important one, you have to write this use case scenario, in which scenario you want to use this O1 series model. Seventh step, you have to specify you want to use for your own organization, something like that. Its default is, I think it's true only. And finally, you have to acknowledge the eighth step. Once you fill it, you can submit this form. Hopefully you get as soon as I submitted my form as well. I'm waiting for the access rights. Once I get the access rights, I can go to the next step to how to you can create this model and how you can use it.